Ali Mola, Ali Mola, Ali Dum Dum. You carry man of God, a sage kind and brave. But when we ask who you are, you said Muhammad's slave. Or this the bone which will Levite, the NYU. Or in a rich heather in hill, the NYU. On this night, I have one wish only. Please, Ali, in my grave, do not leave me lonely. With Allah's will, I pray for your intercession to you.